what I'm talking about. Y'all see that? Take notes. You about to get... Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Fuck, man. God dang. Everybody okay? God damn, dude. Holy shit. What was that?
How fast are you going when you hit that motherfucker? Hey, look, we just missed out the warranty.
Man, there's no way that should have. That wasn't even that crazy of a freaking bump. I don't know. I think I turned right when it happened.
Yeah, it's recorded.
Is it dirty?
No.
Here's the cup to the axle.
Dude.
God, that's crazy. I mean, how does it freaking explode like that?
Oh, that was my rim that busted. Hey, they should warranty it. This thing wouldn't have broke. Everybody all right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, what happened?
Shit. Hit that little bump right there and it just exploded.
Oh, really? Wow.
Well, we've got on like every kind of hill you can think of today.
Well, not like that. Hey, at least you weren't hurt.
Yeah, that's the main thing. Shit.
Damn, this thing's brand new.
Yeah, we just got Friday.
Yeah, well, they just came out.
Luckily, I bought the warranty.
Oh, yeah.
They said anything breaks on this warranty, bumper to bumper.
Yeah,
bring it back.
That's crazy.
Yeah,
I think so,
it just fell apart. I don't know what happened.
Fuck, man. That's.
I'm just glad you're not hurt.
Yeah.
That's important for it.
The rim just fucking destroyed itself. And then the A-arms. God dang.
Well, if I have to replace it, I'll just do the high lifter ones. I want to anyways. This
Feels
makes
thin
it
though.
good.
That's not that thick at all.
Yeah,
That's freaking. That's like freaking jungle gym equipment that you get at freaking.
Yo, Jungle Gym is thicker than that.
Yeah, that's crazy.
You gotta go get one now, Greg, because I need one by the 16th.
I know.
Working.
God dang. Anybody got a rear winch or something we can?
Well,
I've got a front one. You got a strap.
we got
The best thing to do is get one like this that has the back bumper. Fucking winch number here. Or pick it up. A ratchet strap.
Yeah, we have one.
Let me back it up to it. Just pick up.
Shit. Look at that, dude. That thing just completely annihilated. Look at that.
70 miles an hour.
Yeah, but still, I mean, these things are made to fucking haul ass across shit. It's a good thing he didn't fucking flip
I would
over.
say this is definitely oh, where's this part? It doesn't pop off. This part's still good.
I thought somebody grabbed it. Jesus Christ.
Well, at least that rim's so good.
You're looking for the positive one right there?
It's brand new.
Oh, it is.
I mean, your factory.
I mean, I don't know what happened.
So you're fucking driving. You hit the mail and all of a sudden.
Oh, that's
Look at all this metal that you
Oh no, I picked it all up. I didn't want to be able to get inside.
My buddy has a 2017 high lifter,
Yeah.
and he made up a real good story. But that motherfucker was driving, he drove that bitch into the tree. Because it looks like what happened. It looks like that right there fucking just snapped off.
This is still attached. That's crazy.
I know.
This is just
First
pushed.
thing is,
Yeah, the tie rod's back there. Yeah.
At least I know the tie rod's pretty strong.
Yeah.
I mean,
yeah.
just saying.
Did you feel that? Look, he bought this.
Not me.
Flip it.
I don't know.
Yeah, he was going right here. He hit that. Said it was going about 70. He hit that button.
The tire just came underneath it, and it just. Yeah, I'm just crazy. Surprised that shit didn't start going end over end. Yeah.
It would have turned. It would have rolled.
I'm just.
This is the part that's illegal to drive on.
Is it?
Yeah, really? Yeah, they said you can get a $1,000 fine.
Oh really?
They can catch you. I'm gonna hit that fucking trail real fast.
Yeah, they'll catch us today.
Yeah.
Grab me a ticket.
I didn't even realize it was illegal to run on here.
What's up?
Yeah.
But that's
Yeah, I don't
okay.
think
I'll
you
get
get
it
in the way.
Monday. They don't know what happened.
I did the same thing.
They never
I
ever
bought-
asked for pictures or nothing.
I bought
so.
one on a Friday, totaled it on a Sunday, put insurance on Monday, claimed it on Wednesday. Hey man, shit happens. You gotta do what you gotta do.
Yeah. No shit.
It's a good thing you got 2 razors now, right?
Fuck.
I didn't know shit.
And then he was like, oh, we got better to drop my other one down. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. It's good you said that.
These right here are pretty awesome, man. For the price of them, you can't beat it.
It's pretty badass.
$12,000, aren't they?
Huh?
Weren't they about 12,000?
14.
Where'd you buy it?
Great Mountain Tire Stores.
Oh, that's cool.
They're $13.9 everywhere.
Go to Antlers in Oklahoma. Tony Duncan will get you one for about $12,500 out the door.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You save it for that. What's crazy is that damn fucking wheel busted like that.
It's shattered. Yeah, getting that pressure on it too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
You got any ideas?
I was thinking maybe we'll just tilt this one
Pick it
back
up?
first and let you back the razor up to it.
Think we can pick it up?
We're gonna pick
Or ratchets, let's try to open up as their ratchets.
Sound like who has an idea here? I never told you to done this before.
Look, remember we had to do this?
Your ratchets in the
Yeah.
back part, still have
Too many
them.
times.
So I
Too many.